Welcome to Georgeway mathTV.
Wow, I'm so excited. I'm always excited when I'm doing math. And I hope you are too. Anyway, let's just get serious here. Whenever you've been given an equation, right? And you've been asked to solve for a variable, what I want you to think about is when you see the equation, you ask yourself, where is the variable that I'm trying to solve for? Where is it at? So where's my variable that I'm trying to solve for? Same thing for over there, the x. Where is that variable x in the equation? So now, once you're able to find that variable, right? Now, your goal is to have that variable by itself. So at the end of the day, you want to have u equals. At the end of the day, on this side, you want to have x equals, right? But ask yourself, how many of that variable that I'm trying to solve for do I have? So if on one side like that, you have this two of them, right? Or two or more. Combine those like terms. And after you've done combining it, you just divide on both sides. And then you simplify, and that's it. You probably say, I really want to know how to do this. You've talked about how to do it, but I really want you to show me how to do it. You sure you really want to see me do this? Okay, so over here I'm being asked to solve for u, right? So in the equation, where is my u at? That is u, and I have another u, and they're all on one side of this, the equal sign, right? On this side, I have those u's over there. So they are like terms. 2u, 4u, they are like terms. So I'm going to have to combine like terms over there. So 2u plus 4u is what? 6u. And I move on to this side. I just bring down my equal sign, bring down a 36. Now, whenever I have a number with a variable, and I want to get a variable by itself, which I'm really going to do right now, the only way to get a variable by itself is to divide by the number with the variable. So 6. And then whatever I do on one side, I have to do the same thing on this side. So I divide that also by 6. And now this 6 and that 6 will cancel out. And I have my u by itself. And then 36 divided by 6 is 6. That wasn't bad. Alright. Let me see if I really got this. Alright. So for this one also, I'm solving for x. So I asked myself, where is the x? Where is the x? Where is the x in this equation? I see x right here, and I see another one right there. And because on one side, those variables happen to be on one side, I know I have to combine them. So I have 8x minus 4x. And 8x minus 4x, I know is 4x. Bring down everything else equals, and I bring down my 32. And now I want to get the x by itself. And whenever I have a number with a variable like that, actually I know there's a multiplication sign right here. And the only way to get the variable by itself, whenever I have something like that, the only way is to divide. I said the only way when I have something like this to get the variable by itself is to divide by the number with the x, which in this case is 4. And whatever I do on this side, I can do the same thing on this side. So I divide that also by 4. These 4 right here will cancel out, and I have my x by itself. And then 32 divided by 4 is 8. And that will be the answer. That wasn't bad. Actually, I really love this. Okay, right now I'm back to being the teacher George. So I was a student for a minute, but now you know what's gonna happen. You see, I did all this by myself, right? So I want you to also do this by yourself right now, just to make sure you really got this. And I know you got this. So please go and practice these type of questions so that you can really get better, okay? And I know you got it. Just go do them, okay?
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.